logarithmic test. So let me start our session with another question. So the question is, you want the second question? Let me do the second question.
Yes,
So
sir.
choice is yours. You can, if you want, we'll go for third also. Choice is yours. Let me go for the second question. The question is, test the convergence of. The question will be like this: 1 plus 2x by 2 factorial, 2x by 2 factorial plus 3 square x square, 3 square x square by,
Hello.
yes, I can hear you, 3 factorial plus 4 cube.
Hello.
Yes, hello. What happened? Any problem? Yes, hello. Any problem? This is the question. Let us write the solution of this problem.
Hello.
Yes.
Network issue, I guess.
Yes, network issues. Okay, let us continue. Let me set the class. Okay, so we are going to the second question. Okay. Okay. The question is, what is the question? Test the convergence of. This is the second question we are doing. 1 plus 2x by 2 factorial plus 3 square x square by 3 factorial plus 4 cube x cube by 4 factorial plus sign. So yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the step number 1, we have to write the nth term of the given system. Let us frame the nth term.
Yeah.
Every time we are not going to take first term as a neglecting. It may be sometimes you see it's very simple. X cube, 4 cube, x square, 3 square, x power 1, 2 power 1. So maybe x power 0, 1 power 0 format is there. It is available. 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial is also there. So denominator, from denominator we start. We write denominator as n factorial first of all, because 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, definitely 1 factorial may be there, and n to the power of, because it is starting with 0, so n minus 1, and it is also starting with 0, x power n minus 1. How can we say it's starting with 0? X power 3, x power 2, x power 1 means definitely x power 0 may be here.
Reducing. Yeah.
Yes.
And yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Let us cross verify. N value is 1. 1 to
Yeah.
the power of 1 minus 1. 1 to the power of 1 minus 1 means 1 to the power of 0 is 1 only. X power 1 minus 1. X power 0 means again 1 only.
Yes.
By 1 factorial is 1 only. It means that our
Yes, sir.
un value is absolutely correct. Let us find out un plus 1 here. Simply wherever n is there, we replace with 1. So it is becomes n plus 1. N plus 1 to the power of. Tell me what is that power?
N minus 1.
Y minus 1. N plus
N
1,
minus 1.
cancel now. N plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Here also n plus 1 minus 1 cancel, because We are replacing n with n plus 1 now.
Yeah.
अच्छा हाँ सर ठीक है बराबर बराबर
N plus 1 factorial. So the
n
moving
plus
to
1
the next
factorial
step,
जी
that
सर
is un by un plus 1 value. Un by un plus 1 is equal to, here we are getting n power n minus 1, but in this step only I want to solve it. N power n power minus 1. You know this formula? This one I am writing here. A power m into a power n is there, means we can add those two powers. Bases are equal, powers should be added. If the powers are already added, we can split it. So I'm splitting here.
Yes, sir.
Moreover, for this one also, x power n into x power minus 1. If you add, we'll get the above step. Divided n factorial. This is multiplied by. Second fraction will become reverse. So it is becomes n plus 1 factorial. N plus 1 factorial by n plus 1 to the power of n here, n plus 1 to the power of n here, and x power n here. Let first tell me how many terms are cancelled. First of all, I want to cancel x power n. X power n. These two terms only I want to cancel. Later on, we'll see what is the next term which is going to be cancelled. Un un plus 1 value equals to
n by
equals
plus 1
to n power n as it is,
n to the power
n power minus 1 also
x
as
to the
it
power
is,
minus 1 minus 1
and n factorial also as it is, into
sir x to the power minus 1
that we can write here later on. Here we write x power minus 1 by x later
अच्छा
on.
तो बाद
This n plus 1
अच्छा
factorial, we use the factorial formula. This formula, n factorial equals to n into n minus 1 factorial. This is the formula we are using for this n factorial, assuming this has n factorial format. So we can write it as n means it will be n plus 1 into n plus 1 minus 1 factorial. Right now, divided by, in the denominator, I want to take n common, but it will come n power n outside, 1 plus 1 by n whole power n. Right, that clear?
Yeah.
Two of the terms are cancelled, plus 1 minus 1. We are left with n factorial, which will cancel this n factorial, this n to the power of n, this n to the power of n cancelling out. This is equals to un by un plus 1 value equals to un by un plus 1 value equal to n power minus 1. Let me write as it is, into, from this n plus 1, I want to take n common. We are left with what? 1 plus 1 by n. Okay. And this adjacent side, nothing is left.
Okay.
1 plus 1 by n whole power n into 1 by x into 1 by x.
1 by x.
So what
Yes, sir.
happened? Which of the terms are cancelled again? N power minus 1, n power plus 1 cancel. Okay. N power minus 1, n power plus 1 cancel. Then un by
Cancel.
un plus 1 value is what is left of? Un by un plus 1 value, what is left of? 1 plus 1 by n divided by 1 plus 1 by n whole power n into 1 by x left off. Now applying limit n tends to infinity on both sides. So for my convenience, let me take equation number 1 also. Maybe it is helpful somewhere. Taking limit n tends to infinity. Limit n tends to infinity. Un by un plus 1. Un by un plus 1 is equals to 1 by x is a constant term. We pulled it out. That is limit n tends to infinite. Limit n tends to infinite. What is left here? 1 plus 1 by n divided by 1 plus 1 by n whole power n. So see here, this limit will go to the numerator, and as well as this limit will go to the denominator. This is 1 by x. Once the limit will go to the numerator, 1 by n format is 0, we are getting 1 here. Once if the limit will go to the denominator, I gave you this formula. Let me write once again in exam also. Again and again, if you want to mention, you can mention here with your highlighter that this is the formula we are using here. 1 plus 1 by n whole
Okay.
power n value is equal to e we are using. So it is 1 by e. So together becomes 1 by ex. Right?
EX. Yeah.
Involved
Yeah. Yes,
by
sir.
ratio test. Let whatever we did till now, which test? Ratio test now. By ratio test. If 1 by ex greater than 1, let me simplify this one. Take the reciprocal, that is ex. Inequality will change, it is less than 1, which implies that I want the answer in terms of x. So x should be less than 1 by e. It means we are dividing e on both sides. So this, in this case, we can say that it is convergent. If this x value is less than 1 by e, then convergent. Same story here. If 1 by ex is less than 1, it means that if suppose ex value is greater than 1, that implies that if I want in terms of x dividing with e on both sides, this is greater than 1 by e, then we say that it is divergent. Then we say that it is
Okay.
divergent. Another possibility is if 1 by ex value is equals to 1, it means that if I am cross multiplying that, ex is equals to 1, which means that x value is 1 by e. X value is 1 by e. Then what do you say? कहाँ पे use करना है? We have to use it here. Or we can say that, 1 by x value is equals to e. Both are will give you same meaning only, reciprocal only. This is you say that it is test fails.
Yeah.
Test fails. Right? No doubt till here. I'll go to the next page now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So from there we are going to be continue. Okay. So test fails. After that, when x is equals to 1 by e, we proceed our problem continuing. When x is equals to 1 by e, which also means that 1 by x is equal to e, where we have to substitute in our equation number 1. You see here, this is our equation number 1 here. Here I am going to substitute 1 by x value is e. So this is un by un plus 1 value is equals to 1 plus 1 by n divided by 1 plus 1 by n whole power n into e. What we have to do, the next step is taking log on both sides. Log un by un plus 1 equals to log of 1 plus 1 by n divided by 1 plus 1 by n all to the power of n into e. This bracket will be closed. First log a into b formula, that is log a value is this complete 1 plus 1 by n by 1 plus 1 by n whole power n. This is log a plus log b, it's log e. Again we have one more formula, log a by b format. We write log a minus log b, log a minus log b, 1 plus 1 by n whole power n, and that log e value is 1. Now for your convenience, if you go through these notes later on, maybe you will have a confusion. So I'm writing that formula log a by b is equals to log A minus log B. Should know the basics of logarithm here. Log
Yeah.
the power of n is equals to n log x. We are using the second case, and here that already we did in the previous question also, but I want to write it still. Log A into B can be written as log A plus log B. Let us continue our class. So this is equals to log of 1 plus 1 by n. It is log x power n format. So n log x, n log of 1 plus 1 by n plus 1. Now I want to use the expansion of logarithm, which I gave you as a formula, but still I want to write it. Log of 1 plus, the only formula which we are using here is 1 by n minus 1 by 2n square plus 1 by 3n to the power of 3 minus and so on. Here I am using that formula, and here also I am using that formula. So now this our question becomes log of un by un plus 1 value. It is equals to first expansion. If I am using, we are getting 1 by n, right, minus 1 by 2n square, okay, plus 1 by 3n to the power of 3, 3n to the power of 3 minus and so on. That bracket will be closed. That bracket will be closed for the first expansion, minus n times of, we need to expand one more time, that is 1 by n minus 1 by 2n square plus 1 by 3n to the power of 3, 3n to the power of 3 minus and so on. This bracket also will close it, and plus 1 we have to write as it is. This is equal to 1 by n as it is minus 1 by 2n square again as it is plus 1 by 3n to the power of 3 again as it is. Okay, and so on. No need to write. This n will be cancelling with this n we are getting. Okay, minus and so on we write. This is minus 1, correct? This n and n cancel. Minus into minus plus, it becomes 1 by 2n. Am I correct here? Minus 1 by 3n square. Give me the answer. I'm correct now?
Yes, sir.
On,
Yes, sir.
we have plus 1 here. Actually, I want to cancel these two terms. This plus 1 and this minus cancelling out. Let us take 1 by n common from these two. From these two, take 1 by n common. I mean, we add this 1 by n plus 1 by 2n, and we add these two also. So when adding, what happened? Log of un by un plus 1 value equals to, when adding 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2, 3 by 2 into 1 by n. Okay. 1 plus 1 by 2 is 1 by n common. 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Similarly, 1 by n square is common. So if, okay, we'll do one step in detail better. You should not have any confusion. 1 plus 1 by 2. If I am taking what common? 1 by n common. Similarly, if 1 by n square common, we are getting, our answer is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. If I am taking 1 by n square common. Okay. Remaining terms I don't want. We write plus and so on. We leave it. Two terms are enough. Right? Now, 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So can I write like this? 3 by 2n directly?
Sorry, क्या कहते हैं sir?
3 by 2 now. 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2 into 1 by n.
3 by 2.
3 by 2n. Here also
3 by 2n.
plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 is minus 5 by 6. So it is, I want to write directly minus 5 by 6 n square. You can use the calculator to add these two values. Now multiplying n. Step number 2, we are moving for the logarithmic test. Multiplying n, un by un plus 1 value, it is equals to, if we multiply with n, the n will come here like that, 2n, and moreover this n will go here also, this one like this, 6n square. Now what happened? What happened? Tell me. What happened? 1n with this, 1n with this
The
square
cancellation.
cancel. Now taking limit
Yeah.
n tends to infinity on both sides. Limit n tends to infinite, n log of un by un plus 1 value, it is equals to limit n tends to infinite. Okay, and here we have 3 by 2 minus here we have 5 by 6 into 1 by n, correct? And if we apply the limit, what happened? I'm getting my answer is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is greater than 1, right?
Yes, sir.
By logarithmic test. Logarithmic test, series convergent, because greater than 0 now, greater than 1 now, series convergent.
Convergent.
Now finally we finish our question by writing our total statement, that is I am writing here, hence given series convergent when, कहाँ पे हो रहा convergent देखिए, less than or equal to, right? Because equal to also we prove now. Less than or
equal to 1 by
1 by 6. 1 by 6.
1 by e.
1 by e.
1 by
1 by
e.
by e.
Yeah.
Okay. And divergent, when it is divergent, when x is greater than 1 by
equals to
e.
greater than 1 by e.
That is end of this problem and end of this class also. Right? I'll send it to you the recording. Go through the recording and do the question number 3. Muzammil, आप भी करो बाबा.
जी सर, ठीक है.
Logarithmic test important है देखिए, okay ना? Let
Yes,
me end
sir.
up this
Try
class,
करता हूँ.
right?
Okay,
जी
sir.
सर.
I'll let you know about the next class.
ठीक है, sir.
ओके सर.